Time for breathing treatment. You don't like that, do you? I remember that you kid my yesterday, so you know how you kid that bus. I remember the same yesterday. Even the light pass up first one way to get it. I put one over you. I put one you cover it for that. Put your hand Maybe do part 5. I'm going to part 5. I'm fine now, I'm fine. Yes, I know. I don't want to play that, but we're watching a Nigerian movie. It's called Princess Olivia. It's a really nice movie, great lesson. If you guys want to check it out. Okay. I don't know about the light quality. So this is day 2 in the hospital, and that's my mom right there. Yeah, forget about this junk right here, okay? I'm trying to get you. That's her right there, just laying down right now. And it don't really look that good outside. That's the window. The weather is really bad today, okay, you guys. Let me show you guys where I sleep, okay? This is my blanket right here. If I can get down from this little spot. Let me see. Let me flip the camera around, okay? Ain't that a pretty view right there? That's so pretty. But this is my bed right here, okay? That's my pillows right there, and that's my blanket right here. So it's just a recliner. So I push that back during the day. Then at night I have to like recline it so that way my feet will be up there. Are you looking at me? So that's our bags right there. And that's the room. That's where we put the trash, and that's where we put linen. So let me flip it back around. Back to my seat, okay? It's been kind of, was today like the busy day, or was it yesterday?
Wednesday was a busy day.
Yeah, yesterday, Wednesday was like the busy day. Like people just coming in and out of her room, in and out of her room. And today has been kind of like not that bad. This is like the most time in like, I can't remember the last time I was sitting like this, relaxed like this for how many days. I haven't gone to work, no school, nothing. Just well, it's spring break anyway, so yeah, I really don't have school, but we're just here. But anyways, let me see what time it is. It's almost 2:30 right now, so I really want to take a little nap, but I feel like even if I'll lay down right here, I'm not really gonna go to sleep. It's not that comfortable, you know. It's not really comfortable. It's not like you're laying down in your bed. So I got 2 pillows right here, and I put one of these pillows right here and the other one on this side, like, you know, on your right and your left side. So if I sleep on this right side and I get tired, I sleep on the left side. I can't really sleep in the middle. It's uncomfortable. So it's like, then my feet, let me flip it around. My feet kind of like hanging down there. It's not like all the way. So that's my bed. Okay, and I'm not sure like how long. I don't even know if we're gonna be discharged tomorrow. So if we're done, it's gonna be our 3rd night here. So I don't know, I may make this video like part 2 in the hospital, like day 2 in the hospital or something like that, and the other one is gonna be day 1 in the hospital. So and what am I going on? Anyways, just I'm just gonna keep updating, just see how it goes. Yeah, listen to that. Yeah, come in.
Hey, that's what I wanted. You'll have to come sit over here. You can't
Okay.
come out the window.
All right.
And I'm gonna close this window too.
Okay. The window keeps me a little bit alive to know that, okay, there's still daylight outside. Guys, after seeing yeah, so
You don't need anything right now?
no, we good.
Okay, let's not gonna leave her.
Okay.
You know somebody's taking care of
Yeah, so
Very good.
I had to get up the window, because next to the window, because there's a tornado warning. Okay. Do you guys hear that? I can't stand that sound. There's something about that sound. It gets me.
No, the game was just started shit.
I know. My daughter don't like that. I have to sit like away from the window, so I'm sitting right here right now, like next to the door, like that leads to the hallway. But if you guys, can you hear the sound? If you're not used to with this sound, then you hear that sound, it's as if like you be panicking. I'm not lying. Like, I know everybody's different, but it's like every time I hear like the warning sound of a tornado, like, okay, I'll be panicking. I don't like to hear this.
Where do you want to run to?
Underneath the bed. I'm about to go under my mom's bed right now. I'm about to go under her bed.
Jesus is everywhere.
I'm about to go under her bed and hide right there. But normally they'll get people like on the hallway, like push. Sometimes they'll push like their whole entire bed and get them like on the hallway and put some stuff on you, and what I mean, but off the window, you know. Everybody knows that. But let me tell you guys, I'm gonna get off this phone right now, this camera right now. I don't like that sound.
Very good. You have a master in charge.